How you doing, Sam?
I'm not doing too good right now.
Yeah, well, I'm doing really good. What's that you got there?
Nothing.
It's obviously something, Sam. I just saw it. It's under the table. What is it?
Okay, fine. It's that math test we took.
Oh, it was kind of hard. My grade didn't live up to my expectation, but I'm guessing yours didn't either.
Yeah, I didn't do too good at all.
Yeah. What'd you get?
Okay, you can't laugh at me.
I might. Just
Not
let me
good.
see the paper then. You got a minus 3%. That's like worse than me by 100%. I got an A++. Loser.
This doesn't
Loser.
make me feel any better.
You're just a loser, that's why. Just stick to what you're good at. Nothing. Nothing, Sam.
Okay. This is why I don't tell you anything.
Exactly. Move this crap out of the way. Alright, Sam. But you can be redeemed.
That'd be wonderful.
Want to know how?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, you want to know how? Yeah.
Yeah.
I can reteach you. Yeah.
Wow, that'd be perfect.
Come on over here, Sam. Got me
Okay.
some notes. Come around here. Come around here.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, Sam. First off, start with the basics. What's an ellipse?
A circle?
That's why you failed your test. It's definitely not a circle, Sam. It's an oval. But it's like flatter and longer than a circle. Like flatter, longer. Anyways, this is a vertical ellipse. Thus, mentioning that this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. And the y-axis is longer, making it a vertical ellipse. And would you like to know anything more about that?
Well, I'd like to know, like, what
The equation for
was.
it. Exactly,
Yeah.
me too. I'll tell you. The equation is x minus h squared over b squared plus y minus k squared over a squared. And that's a vertical ellipse. But, let's say we do a little flipperoo here. What does that make it now? It's a x-axis, y-axis. X-axis is longer. It just became a horizontal ellipse. Notice, the equation for that is, instead of the a squared and b squared are switched. So for the horizontal, it becomes x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. And they both equal 1, by the way.
Oh.
And this is a nice little figure of an ellipse in a cone. It's a conic.
Oh, that makes so much
Kind
more
of sounds
sense.
similar. Alright, Sam. I understand that 3% you got in your test. You got that 3% right. You got like one fogey question right.
Yeah, I did get
Here,
that one.
show me what you know about fogey, Sam. Show me what you know.
Okay. The focus of ellipse are located on the major axis. To find the focus, it's c squared equals a squared minus b squared. A is the distance from the center to the focus. B is the semi-minor axis, and C is the distance from the co-vertex to the focus.
And where's the center at, Sam?
The center is located at HK.
How would you find that?
Okay, well, let's do an example. If your equation was x minus 1 over 4 plus y minus 2 over 1, you'd have to first find what h and k are. H is negative 1 and k is negative 2. And now you do the opposite of what you think, so the center would be at 1, 2.
Very, very nice, Sam. And we've been using these vocab words. We've been tossing them around like it's nothing. And I want to show you what they mean. Come on, everyone. Come over here. I don't know. Alright. This is an in real life example of an ellipse. Check it out. This table here, wham, horizontally ellipse. From my point of view, this is the longer axis.
So what
Let's
would that
start-
be called?
The longer axis?
Yeah.
That's called the major axis, Sam. That's from here to here. And the minor axis is the shorter axis. And if you want to know the points, which I bet you really want to know,
Yeah,
I'll
I
tell
do.
you. The points at the end of the major axis and the end of the minor axis are called vertices and co-vertices.
How do you know the difference?
I'll tell you how you know the
Okay,
difference.
okay.
Vertices are at the end of the major axis, and the co-vertices are at the end of the minor axis.
Also, at the point where the two axes intersect through the center.
Exactly, Sam.
Oh my god!
And the fogey is in between along the major axis. It's in between the vertex and the center on each side of the major axis.
It's the same distance on each side away from it.
Exactly, Sam. And fun fact, the major axis and minor axis have subunits. And that's the half of it from the center to the vertex. Semi-major, semi-minor, all the way around. A little something you can tell your mom. Alright. I think you're ready to get an A+.
Thanks, guys.
You ready to go, Sam?
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
Let's take that test.